Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of motorcycle accessories to bring you the scoop on the best air filter for the Interceptor 650. None other than the K&N engine air filter. If you're a proud owner of the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, you know that performance matters. And when it comes to optimizing your bike's performance, one crucial component to consider is the air filter. That's why we're thrilled to introduce you to the K&N engine air filter, the top choice for riders looking to enhance their Interceptor's capabilities. Let's dive into what makes this air filter stand out from the crowd. First off, it's engineered by K&N, a trusted name in the industry known for its high-performance filters. This isn't your average air filter. It's designed to go the distance, with a 10-year, million-mile limited warranty backing its durability. But what sets the K&N engine air filter apart is its state-of-the-art filtration media, which provides up to 50% more airflow compared to disposable paper filters. This means increased power and acceleration for your bike, giving you that extra edge when you hit the road. And here's the kicker. By investing in a K&N filter, you're not only boosting your bike's performance, but you're also saving money in the long run. How? Well, K&N filters are washable and reusable, so you can say goodbye to constantly shelling out cash for disposable filters. Plus, with proper maintenance, a K&N filter can outlast over 10 disposable filters, making it an eco-friendly choice that reduces waste. Installation is a breeze, with the filter coming pre-oiled and ready to install. In just a few simple steps, you can upgrade your bike's performance and protect its engine from harmful contaminants. And did I mention it's made right here in America? Quality you can trust, folks. So there you have it, folks. The K&N engine air filter, the best air filter for your Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up the track, this filter has got you covered. Don't just take my word for it, though. Check out the rave reviews from satisfied riders all around the world. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, ride safe and stay tuned for the next episode.